Hey folks, welcome to the 37th Isometria Devlog. It's been a few weeks since I last updated you. This week I'm going to talk about the latest additions to the game. Specifically, I'm going to talk about dragging and placing walls and tiles. It's a huge improvement to the construction system in the game. I'll show you some improvements that I've made to the networking system, specifically the ability to designate a read and write port in the UI. I've upgraded the underlying Pygame version that Isometria uses to the latest and greatest. I've also got some new artwork to show for the store page and the logo. You'll see that. Let's get started. It is now easier than ever to place new walls and tiles into the game. I've added the ability to click and drag to place walls and tiles. As you can see, it's way smoother and easier to do. In fact, it will allow you to place things over already placed items and the red won't be placed, making it just that much easier to build things into the game world. You can even replace tiles that you previously placed with objects on top of them. As you can see, it's way faster and way better to construct things now that the tiles can be placed on top of places where you've already constructed, and you can place them in lines. New options have been added to the multiplayer settings. Specifically, the RX and TX port can now be adjusted manually. This allows for greater control when you're hosting a game. Pygame version 2.4.0 has finally released, and I have since upgraded Isometria to use it. I've been running the dev version for quite some time now without any issues. The new version brings lots of upgrades and new things to try, so I'm sure that in the coming months I'll be diving in and giving it a shot. I want to thank the Pygame community for everything that they've done. It's a great release, and I hope to see more improvements and updates soon. I've commissioned some new artwork for the Steam page. The new artwork includes some logos and a background and the box art for the game. I hope you all like it. Let me know what you think. As of today, we've reached a total of 3,424 outstanding wish lists, which is fantastic. I'm very happy with that number. Obviously, we would like to get that higher, but I think in the coming months, we'll see a rise due to the Steam Next Fest, which Isometria will be part of, coming in February. That's it for this update. I hope to have more in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for more.